Children, now let's study about the religion, the Egyptian civilization. The Egyptians worshipped many gods and goddesses. Each god was associated with a particular aspect of life, and each had a specific form. The chief god was Amun-Re or Ra, the sun god, represented by a bird, falcon. He was the king of all gods and considered the source of warmth and life. Other gods that were worshipped were the Thoth, the moon god, represented by Ibis, a water bird; Horus, the sky god, represented by a hawk; Anubis, the god of mummification, represented by jackal. Each god had a separate temple and a priest, and each city had a patron god. The Egyptians believed in life after death, children. They considered death to be a temporary phase between this life and the next. Egyptians therefore preserved their dead by mummifying their bodies. They covered the dead body with herbs and spices and then wrapped in with fine linen. Linen means cloth, children. Such a preserved body is called a mummy. The mummy was put in a wooden box, enclosed in a stone coffin, and then buried in a tomb. Food, clothes, jewelry, furniture, and other things of everyday use were put into the tomb with the belief that the person would need them in his afterlife. The famous pyramids of Egypt are actually the tombs of the pharaohs. Pharaohs means king's children. Children, the golden coffin of King Tutankhamun, a pharaoh, archaeologists have found articles of everyday use such as beds and chests in Tutankhamun's tomb. The meaning of chest, children, it is a wooden box to store things. Occupations of the Egyptian civilization, children. Most people were engaged in agriculture. Fertile soil, regular supply of water from the Nile, and a vast irrigation network meant that farmers could grow crops throughout the year. Pottery making, spinning, weaving, glass making, carpentry, metalworking, poultry farming, and fishing were some of the occupations followed by the people. The Egyptians perfected the use of potter's wheel. Pottery was produced in large quantities. Skilled carpenters made beautiful articles of wood inlaid with ivory and precious stones. The metal workers made articles of gold, copper, and other metals. Some people carved statues of gods and kings. Trade and commerce during the Egyptian civilization, children. Trade was an important activity. Goods were transported over the land by camels and donkeys. Boats and small ships were used to send goods along the Nile. The main items of export included linen, jewelry, and glassware. Gold, ivory, oil, and wood were the major imports. Goods were exchanged through barter system. Major achievements. Under that, we are going to learn architecture, children. The Egyptians were great builders and constructed many pyramids and temples. The largest of the pyramids are the Great Pyramids of Giza, was built by a pharaoh, Cheops. The other name is Khufu. It is one of the 7 wonders of the ancient world. Another architectural wonder is the Sphinx, a mythological figure with the head of a man and a body of a lion. It is carved out of a single block of stone. The temple at Abu Simbel is equally famous, built by Ramses II. It had been constructed such that twice a year the rays of the rising sun reached the back wall of the interior of the temple. The temple at Abu Simbel had been shifted from its original location. The huge temple and its statues were carefully dismantled and the different pieces numbered. They were then reconstructed piece by piece, some distance away from the original site. This was done to construct the Aswan Dam. The major achievements in the field of mathematics by the Egyptian civilization, children. The Egyptians had great progress in mathematics. They knew fractions, decimal system, and the 4 basic operations of addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. They could also calculate the area and volume of geometrical figures such as rectangle, circle, and cylinder. They put their knowledge to use in the construction of pyramids. Under major achievements, children, we have medicine by the Egyptian civilization. The Egyptians knew a lot of human anatomy. The meaning of anatomy, children, the branch of science concerned with bodily structure of humans, animals, and other living organisms. One of their medical books gives us a detailed description of blood circulation in the body. The Egyptian mummies, despite being thousands of years old, are still well preserved. This shows their advanced knowledge of medicine, children. Under major achievements, we have astronomy, children, by the Egyptian civilization. The Egyptians studied the movements of heavenly bodies to predict natural phenomena. They counted years by observing the star Sirius, whose appearance coincided with the beginning of the annual floods in River Nile. They also divided the sky into 12 constellations, thereby being the first to devise the zodiac. The Egyptians were also the first to devise a solar calendar, children. They found that the average time between the two floods in River Nile was 365 days. They also realized that the star Sirius appeared on the horizon when the flood reached Cairo, and this happened after every 365 days. These observations led them to conclude that a year has 365 days. The year was then divided into 12 months, each with 30 days. 5 more days were added to the calendar to celebrate festivals. Under major achievements, we have script, children. The Egyptian system of writing is called hieroglyphics, which means sacred writing. The hieroglyphic script used pictures to represent words and symbols to express ideas. The script was written from right to left. Initially, people wrote on stone walls and clay tablets. Later, paper sheets made from papyrus reeds were used. A pointed reed was used as a pen. Children, reed means a piece of thin cane. More to know. Cats were tamed by Egyptians to protect food grains from mice. Cats soon became holy to people. The cats not only had their own goddesses, she is Bastet, but they were also preserved as mummies. The mummified cats were left as offering to Bastet at her temple. The Egyptian word for cat is Mev. Finally, the decline of the Egyptian empire, children. After the new kingdom came to an end, the Egyptian empire collapsed. Internal rebellions and foreign invasions weakened the empire. Egypt came to be conquered by the Assyrians, the Persians, and the Romans. The Egyptian civilization was as advanced as other civilizations of the period. The civilizations of Greece and Rome were greatly influenced by the Egyptian civilization, children.